I watched today the TCU's chairman and the channel, and they alluded, the fact that I said I'm not happy with the supervision of our works by the Minister of Work Staffs. And he said it's the government. If a civil servant is on the way of the progress of government, he should be shown the way out. And of course, it's my policy. It's my policy. And I will plead with the press to report exactly what I'm saying. Because in Lagos, we were discussing about, Abuja to Lagos Superhighway. And we are at the concessioning level. What I saw is that, Advanced Engineering Company has been awarded the contract. What kind of, praise is that? The same thing with the Lagos Port Harcourt Calabar Superhighway, that we are just at the third meeting. And you say it's been awarded to, high-tech engineering. This is not doing good to our country. The press is not being fair to our country. Because you have to report exactly what it is. There is so much havoc being done to this country by social media, false information, sensational, reportage. God forbid if the country collapses, everybody will be involved. So you're a press man pulling the string somewhere so that the country will go down, and they pulling, this one is pulling. It is not helping our country. Look at US. It is their country first.